Hey guys, it's Aidan, and this is going to serve as a sort of introduction/tour video for a new makeup series I'm going to be starting on my channel. I've been doing makeup now for about 10 years, off and on. I've got caught up with a lot of other things since, but I've done a lot of cool projects along the way and met a lot of cool people in the industry, learned a lot of cool techniques, so I'm hoping to impart some of that knowledge onto you. I'm not a professional by any means, so it's going to be kind of a learning process throughout the way for both of us, which I think will be very fun. My plan is to do a step-by-step kind of from the basics to advanced techniques of special effects makeup, starting with bruises and scar wax, and then graduating to latex and flat molds, and then eventually getting to life casting, mold making, sculpting, foam latex, maybe even silicone, which I haven't tried yet, so that'll be kind of fun. Behind me is what I call my lab. My dad and I built this a few years ago, and it's where I've done all my makeup since. So why don't I show you around it real quick? So why don't we start on this side of the lab? In this bin, I typically keep my applicators, like some extra brushes, some Q-tips, some sponges and whatnot. And this one, I have some beauty makeup stuff, which I have used in the past, and you'll see that on a character when we get over there. And here I have my hair bin. I have a bald cap, some different colored hairsprays, and some Grinch hair, which I maybe will do something with in the future, and I have done in the past. Some, tools and stuff. And then this whole shelf thing, which is really nifty that my dad helped me build, or that he actually probably built. I have a lot of stuff that I typically use, including some fun little projects that I've done. So this is an an electro mask that I made a few years ago. Kind of shabby paint job and not the best sculpting form. That's a beast, obviously. This is my first ever thing I ever did with plaster bandages with my dad. We did it on a balloon, and then I painted it like years later, I think. And then I have brushes and sculpting tools, all that kind of stuff. Now this is the thing I was talking about with the beauty makeup. It is an Edna Turnblad prosthetic, because when I was a junior in high school, I played Edna Turnblad in Hairspray and took it upon myself to make myself look larger than life. So that's the prosthetic for that. And then, of course, some other stuff over here. This right here is something that you will see in the future, so don't look yet. Up here, I have some of my more industrial kind of things. So a bunch of clay that I haven't ever used. Foam latex kit, some props from a film I did, some gelatin stuff, yada yada yada. If we come down here, I will show you. I have more of my industrial stuff, as I said. A lot of my mold making stuff is down here. Why don't I pull this out? This is a bin that used to have way more than it does now. And it's where I keep all my old molds, basically. That's that. This is for... You can decipher what this is from the negative expression of it. We'll show it in a minute. So that's where I keep all my molds. I know this is so fun to see. And then in here, I have some important stuff. Reference pictures and other kind of how-to stuff that I have in there. Reference pictures are very important, and I'll talk about that more in other tutorials. And then, finally, we'll show this first. This is a beast mask that I made when I played the Beast in high school. This is another beast mask that I made when I played the Beast in middle school. So it must be a typecast for me. Below, a turkey roaster. No, I don't make turkey. It's used in something that hopefully I'll get to. And then some other stuff, clay, sculpting stuff, yada, yada, yada. And that's pretty much the lab. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know. And thank you for watching.